digit sum of that number is. The actual procedure is find the LCM of 12, 2 square into 3, 16, 2 power 4, 18, 2 into 3 square, and 21, 3 into 7. We need to find the LCM of all these. LCM of all these is 2 power 4 into 3 square into 7. 2 power 4, 16, 9 is 144 into 7. 144 into 7. 7 4s 28. 7 4s 28 plus 2, 30. 717. 1008 is the value. So into 2 becomes, actually why we have to multiply by 2? Because in the question they are asking 2000. Let x be a smallest number which when added to 2000 and the resultant is exactly divisible by. So least multiple is 1008. But we need to go for 2000 plus. So multiply by 2. It becomes 2016. So to 2000 what should I add? 16. But what is the digit sum of this 16? 1 plus 6, 7. Or else see that the easiest thing is 2000 is the given. Among the numbers 6, 7, 8, 4. Among the numbers digit sum. Okay. Fine. So 7 is our answer. Next question. So find the number which is exactly divisible by the numbers 12, 15, 18, 20 and to be maximum 4-digit number. So we need to find a 4-digit number that should be exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18, 20. So 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 18, 2 into 3 square. And 20, 2 square into 5. So LCM must be, LCM is equal to 4 into 9 into 5. So our LCM is 180. So now, but LCM is 180, but they are asking maximum 4-digit number. In that case, what to do? Means 180 into 1, 180 into 2. I need to write the tables, but how long we can write to reach the maximum 4-digit number? So do the thing like this. If they ask about maximum 4-digit number, take the maximum 4-digit number 999. So just divide this by 180. Now if it is exactly divisible, this is our answer. Suppose if it gives a remainder, remove that remainder. Suppose 5 when I divide by 2. What least number should I subtract from 5 so that it is divisible by 2? So divide by 2. 2 2's 4. Remainder is 1. Means from 5 I have to subtract 1 so that the result 4 is divisible by 2. Hope you understood this. In the same way, now divide 9999 by 180. 185's 900. Then again 185's 900. 99 is the remainder. Means if I remove this 99, 9900 is divisible by what? Is divisible by like all the 4 numbers given. But among the options our answer is not there. Then in that case, see here a number 18 is there. 18 is what? Divisible by 9. So among the numbers, which number is divisible by 9? This is not, this is not, this is not, this is not. Yes, 9720 is divisible by the internal 9720 is divisible by 9. How? See this. If you subtract 180, it gives 9720. Means they have taken, actually maximum multiple should be 9900. But among the options, it is not there. So among the options we need to go with. See, among the 4 options they are asking. Okay. The next question. Now we'll know about HCF. Highest common factor. So by the name LCM you understood. Maybe now you can say what is highest common factor. same numbers will take again, like HCF of 12 and 16. So multiple, least common multiple means we wrote the multiples. Now highest common factor, we are going to write the factors. Factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Among these both, common factors are 1, 2, then 4. That's all. Among this 1, 2, 4, the highest one is highest common factor is 4. The second method to find HCF is prime factorization. Prime factorization of 12, 2 square into 3, 16, 2 power 4. In LCM we have taken the highest power of the prime numbers. In HCF we will take the least power of the prime numbers. Now among 2 power 2 and 2 power 4, least is 2 square. That's all. Because 3 power 1, if it is 3 is not there, then 3 power 0. So among 3 power 1 and 3 power 0, 3 power 0 is the least power, so which is 1. Then 2 square, 4. 4 is the highest common factor, which already we have seen. Next, there is another method that is called long division. A division method. We should not say long division, a division method. So by the smallest number, we need to divide the biggest number. How many times it goes? 12 ones, 12. The remainder, by the remainder 4, now 4 becomes the divisor and the previous divisor becomes the dividend now. How many times it goes? 4 3 is 12. And if the difference gives 0 as the remainder, because of which number, dividing by what number we got 0 as the remainder? 4. So 4 is our HCF. Hope you understood this. Okay. Now the next question is, in finding the HCF of two numbers by division method, then three quotients are 5, 4, 3 and final divisor is 32. What is this final divisor is 32? Means that may be the HCF. Final divisor is 32 means then the remainder will be 0. So in the previous question 12, 16, once we will remind that 12 ones 12, 4. Now 4 becomes, the remainder becomes the divisor and the previous divisor now becomes the dividend. So 4 3 is 12 and the 0. So if 0 is the remainder, 4 becomes the HCF. So okay, now in finding the HCF of two numbers, we don't know the two numbers. Okay, then here the remainder, here a number, here a number, here a number, here a number. The remainder becomes the divisor and this becomes the dividend. And again multiplying by this number and this number, we get again the difference for subtracting from here a number and here a number. So this becomes the divisor and finally it should become 0 and this should become 32. Okay. So quotients given are 5, 4, 3. 5, 4 and 3. Now 32 into 3, 96. So from which number 96 should be subtracted so that we will get 0. So that is 96. What is this 96 here? See this. This 12 become dividend, means this 96 become dividend, means previous divisor. Then 96 into 4. 96 into 4. 4 6 24. 4 6 24 to carry. 4 9 36 plus 2 38. Now this 382 4, from this number it is subtracted so that we got 384. So what number we got? 32. Means 384 plus 32 is this number. Okay, add it, 416. So here we have a number 416, or otherwise write it here itself. 416. That 416 should become from here 416. This number. Now 416 into 5. 5 6 30. 8 5 4s 20, 2080 plus 96, 6, 8 plus 9 17, 1 2. So the numbers are 416 and 2197 and their HCF is 32. Sorry, 4176. 4176. Their HCF is 32. Hope you understood this. Write a note. HCF can never be greater than the given two numbers. Given two numbers. What are those two numbers? Asked us to find HCF. Okay. Suppose 18 and 24. 18 and 24. What is the HCF of this? What is the difference? 6. Maximum these both go by 6 or otherwise less than 6. But it is not more than the difference. Okay. And these both go by 3. 6 3s and 6 4s. Hope you understood. We'll go for next question. Find the HCF of 2100, 2945, 3000, 3250, 3365, 2950, 3995, 4665. So how to find the HCF of such biggest numbers? Choose any numbers, any two numbers whose difference is very small. These both. So what is the difference? 5. So this should be our answer. Okay. As we have seen, question type and answer type for answer for LCM, also for HCF. Question, what can be the question and what should be the answer. So find the largest number which can divide x comma y comma z exactly. First one, HCF of x comma y comma z. Second one, find the largest number which can divide x comma y comma z and leaves remainder r in each case. Answer, HCF of x minus r comma y minus r z minus r, or HCF of modulus of x minus y. Why? Because of we don't know whether x is greater than y or y is greater than 0, if y is greater than x. So it should be positive, or otherwise z minus x. Third question, find the least number which can divide xyz and leaves remainder a comma b comma c. Answer must be HCF of x minus a, y minus b, z minus c. Now see this example. It comes under which format of the three examples given? See this three question patterns given. So now find the largest number which can divide. So which can divide means that should be small number, means HCF. It is nothing but HCF. So as we know that HCF must be like 306, 340 and 187. So the gap between these two numbers are small. So the difference of these both was 34. Either this may be the, this number is 187. Maybe 34 is the HCF or the factors of 34, 2 and 17. And if you see the third number, these both are even, but this number is odd. So definitely it should go by odd number. So 17. See 187, see the extreme numbers, 7. 1 plus 7 is the middle number. So it goes by 17 by 11 times. By 11 times. We'll see another. So this example comes under which question pattern? You please check it. Leaves remainder same means difference of 1305 to 4665 or 4665 to 6905 or 6905 to 1305. This symbol says what? Difference. Difference means highest minus least. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3. Then difference of these both. 0. 10 minus 6, 4. 2. 2. Then 5600. Yeah. Okay. So now see that these both gap is highest, but these both gap is small. So I will go with this 1120. Yes, 1120 3 times is this, 2 times is this, 1120. 56 2s is 112, means 1120 5 times is this number. Okay, so done. So 1120 is our answer, HCF. By this we'll make a note. If two numbers are divided by, means out of 3 or 4 numbers given, they will ask what is the HCF. Then we will go with any two numbers now, divided by their difference or factor of their difference. Then it leaves same difference, means A, B, C given, A to B difference or B to C difference or C to A difference everywhere. Okay. So based on the above concept, we'll see an example. Two numbers 225 and 147 are divided by a 2-digit number. Then leave same remainder. They leave same remainder. How many 2-digit numbers are possible? So 225 and 147 are divided by 2-digit number, in the sense they are asking about HCF. So HCF how to find? Maybe the difference of the numbers or the factors of the difference of the number. 7 minus 5, 15 minus 7, 8. 11 minus 4, 7. Okay, 78. This is a 2-digit number. Then this can be written as, means 39 means 39 into 2, 26 into 3 or 13 into 6. So what are the 4-digit numbers? 78, 39, 26 and 13. With these numbers, if you divide these both numbers, will leave the same remainder, and that too we should not take 2, 3, 6 because they are asking about 2-digit number. So how many possibilities are there? 4 possibilities are there. So 78, if you want you can check it. 78 3 is how much? Check that. You will get same difference 78 if you divide by 147 also. Okay. So two numbers 875 and 2272 are divided by a 3-digit number. and leave same remainder in each case. Find the sum of digit of that 3-digit number. Okay, so I will go with the simple thing, 875 and 2272 difference. So what is the difference of these both? Twelve minus 5, 7. 16 minus 7, 9. 11 minus 8, 3, 1. Okay, now see this number. Either this number may be the answer or otherwise. But they are asking about 3-digit. Means further we need to find the factors. See, these both sum is equal to these both sum. Then in that case it goes by 11. So 11 by how many times? 11 into 11 one times, 29 difference. 11 to 22, 7 difference, 77, 77. So the 3-digit number is 127. So by 127, if you divide 875 or 2272, will leave the same remainder in each case. But actually they have sum of the digits. Sorry, 1 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 10.